Good morning, people. Today I'm going to try a layered swipe in these autumn colours again, to see how we go. So this canvas is, what size is it? 30 by 40. It's a nice canvas. I've taped the edges so you don't get the paint mess on the back. Oh, here we go, dog's bark. The push pins in it just to stand it on, and then hopefully there so you can see it easily. So okay, this is a layered. I'll go through the colours again. It's the same pouring medium I would normally use. In fact, I think I'm going to go lengthways. It's the 70% Elmer's glue and the 30% water. I pre-make pouring medium. That card is usually. I'm going to do it lengthways this time. So again, just snake your way down. Doing the autumn pour colours again. Even though in Australia we should be coming up for spring pretty soon. I'm enjoying the winter. It's lovely at the moment. We have lovely winters in Australia. It has got down a little bit cold, but not too much. Okay, this is Sienna. Don't use this very often, but because it's going to be the autumn colours, I thought I'd put it in. So, how do you shut your dogs up when you can't believe it? They don't make any noise very often, but if you can bet if I put the video camera on, they start barking. So okay, this is burnt umber. So let's going back to this. I really do love doing this technique because every time it paints a different picture, because it creates a whole little world of its own when the cells expand and move. So this is the metallic gold, and I dulled it down with a little bit of white. Didn't want it real gold. As you can see, they're all nice autumn colours. Not sure, this is a wicker, but really not sure whether to put it in or not. I think I might leave it out and just stick with that. I did one last weekend which I'm just, this was the autumn pour I did last week, I think maybe 2 weeks ago now. I did do a video for you on that, but as you can see it's drying nicely. The cells stretched out nicely, and it puts the swipe colour, puts the line to define areas in it, which looks really nice. As you see, each one turns out completely different and makes a whole little life of its own. So that's what I really love about it. Okay, I'm going to give this a tilt so we put the paint all over the canvas. I like to cover up even where I'm going to swipe. I don't like leaving it bold where I'm going to swipe. I like the paint to be underneath the swipe colour. So just giving this one a gentle tilt to it's got plenty of paint on, so it's no problem. Quite often you can have too much, so you do need to tilt. Always try and recenter your paint so you haven't got, you know, where you've tilted a one big lump of paint hanging at one end. Try and, after you finish tilting, just try to recenter it again so your paint's even over the canvas. Don't worry to cover the corners, because you can often lose too much paint trying to cover your corners, because you can just pat those with your fingers. So I'll recenter this. They are quite nice colours. I do like them. So I'm going to do a bit of, I haven't done, I'm going to swipe in a metallic grey well, it says metallic grey, but it actually looks more like a metallic black to me. I am a bit worried about this metallic black because I think this might be what's causing my paint to go into weird shapes. So hoping that it doesn't ruin this little autumn canvas that I've got there. We'll give it a go anyway. Okay. So it was, yeah, metallic. Yeah, I think it's called, actually, it is metallic black. I thought it was metallic grey, but it is a metallic black. I'm really nervous about putting this on. Now I'm second. I'll just do it. Okay, be brave and just do it. I'm just hoping that it isn't this paint that's sending it weird shapes. So I'm just going to put that bit up there. I am going to get my trusty swipe tool, which if any of you've watched my pours before, you know is a nice soft plastic file divider. Best swipe tool out. Can't recommend it highly enough for your swipes. Anybody that's having trouble with swipes. Saying this, like I said, I'm really conscious of this metallic black spoiling it, but we'll give it a go and see how it goes. So again, I'll just drop at least 1 centimetre of the top into the pour. That's actually taken off some paint, but I'm not going to worry about that. Just gently bring it down over your paint. Might do is put some of that paint back from the, that's absolutely fine, because when it goes into cells I can tip a bit off. So it's kind of, yeah, it's already starting to cell up, which is a good sign, I suppose. Just might push this bit further forward for you because I've changed it from the original plan so you can see it a bit better. So okay, get the torch out, give it a torch in, see what magic we can bring up. Okay, this is my butane torch with a little self-igniting top that I get off eBay. So you can buy the butane gas from any camping shop, and the little, well, they might sell the actual, yeah, that's a weird flame that this is giving to the, no, you see, it's causing all sorts of odd shaped cells, and I think it is this black. It's definitely, like normally my clusters will come nice round clusters, but I'm getting, the last 2 days, I'm getting, so it might be my pouring medium, could be that black. I'm getting square, star-shaped, triangle-shaped cells, so that's pretty weird. So we've got some triangles, got some squares, really weird. There's some stars in here. I mean, the colours are lovely, oh, the star in there, well and truly. But I'll just go with it. So I may have to try another one after this and not do that black metallic in it. Might do a dirty pour without the metallic and see if it's that's causing this problem. I will do a close-up for you. The colours are lovely, but just getting some odd things happening. Very odd, but yeah. See, yeah, it's sort of yeah, odd shaped cells, which actually might be fine. What I'll do is I'm going to just leave this to dry off, and like all that negative space, those cells will stretch out into the negative space, hopefully causing an outline around it. So at this point in time, it's not looking too bad. I have got some nice cell formation, but That's it, square and star shaped and odd shaped cells, that's fine. We'll take whatever comes our way. That's why every pour is different. You can do the same colours, the same technique, and be absolutely assured that every pour will turn out different. So I'll leave it like this at the moment, and I'll post some photographs hopefully along with this video and on my Facebook acrylic art by Julie Cube page. So please come and like and follow my page, and you'll get tips and tricks and heads up when I put a video on. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It is free, absolutely free to you guys. Give me a thumbs up, please. Thank you for watching. Hey guys, I decided to run the video again because I think I'm going to do some balloon dips in this. It may very well be too wet at the moment, but I just want to show you my balloon kissing. I normally do leave paint to dry off a fair bit, so I haven't got so much paint on the canvas. But for the sake of this video, I think I'm going to show you what I consider is not a pour that I'm really happy with, even though it very well may morph into something gorgeous. I'm going to show you some of my balloon kissing, because I haven't done that for a while, believe it or not. So just a balloon I've had blown up probably about 2 weeks, so I don't want it too big for this size canvas. You can do any size balloon. You can get those little tiny balloons and do little tiny balloon kisses, but today I'm just going to give you a quick demo on how I do my balloon kissing. So I just push in some places that I want to cover up. Keep wiping your balloon in between so you don't get paint muddy. You can roll. You just do a gentle roll off your canvas. Try and demonstrate that a bit better here. So push it on and just roll. So that'll gives quite a nice fan effect. Yeah, it's bringing out colours a little bit better. I'm not real happy with this particular pour, but take the good with the bad. Okay, so balloon dipping is don't push it too hard in the canvas, but don't push it too soft. So you don't want to take your paint off the canvas in areas that may not have a lot of paint. But sometimes when you do this balloon kissing, after it's left overnight, the cells will just stretch out and go into each other, and again cause a whole different life to appear. But yeah, the balloon kissing's quite nice in this one. As I said, I haven't done it for a few weeks, so that's very unusual for me because I love my balloon kissing. Again, I'll do a bit of a roll. On a big canvas that I did the other day, you can do really nice big balloon rolls. Start, press down, roll towards the edge of the canvas, and then again do the other way. So it's all trial and error, but give it a go because it's all fun to do. So as you see, these, I'm going to just press that colour in on the corner up there too. As you see, it's actually it's not too bad. I don't mind it at all, with a bit of kissing happening in there. So I might just go over that one at the bottom again. She said don't do too many, you can go overboard, but who am I to tell you? Go for it, do whatever your heart desires. I'll do another little roll off there. See, that causes really nice long petals. Not sure what flower it looks like. Somebody did mention it, but I love plants and I can grow plants really well. I don't know how or why, but they're just plants that I plant, just grow like they're on steroids. Every property we've lived at seemed to have a green thumb, fingers, whatever you say, but I don't know why, because I don't do anything special at all. Okay, so that one's, yeah, it's turning out not too bad at all. I quite like that one. So I'm actually glad that I've re-videoed doing this for you. So I hope that helps some of you again. Thanks for watching.